Good evening po, ma'am. My name is Dervin Cedric Ramos, WRP205, Section 26. And I will be interviewing tonight Miss Chantal Lorraine. Why? And I'm going to ask you 7 questions about your fitness journey and the thought process of every single activities that you do. The first question is going to be, what types of physical activities do you engage in regularly?
Um, I engage in a mix of activities to keep things balanced and interesting, including strength training like 3 to 4 times per week, cardio like running or cycling, and yoga or stretching for mobility and recovery. On less intense days when I feel so, I go for long walks or I do hiking.
Grabe no, nakakapagod. Parang kahit wala kang gagawin, kahit hindi siya extensive, pero parang yung workload niya pa rin is very extensive for some of us na hindi nag-exercise regularly. The second question will be, what motivates you to stay physically active?
To stay physically active, I think my biggest motivators are mental clarity, stress relief, and long-term health. I notice I feel more energized, focused, and emotionally balanced when I'm consistent with my physical activities, and I also want to remain functional and independent as I age.
Usually rin ganun no, kapag nag-exercise tayo, kapag physically active tayo, because I have my fair share of exercising, gym days, mga ganun. Parang mas active tayo sa mga surroundings natin. So,
Yeah.
nagko-connect yung mga points ni Miss Chantal here. And the third question will be, what are some challenges you face in maintaining your physical activity routine?
I think time management is a big one, especially when life gets busy. Sometimes fatigue or low motivation can creep in. There are also occasional injuries or soreness that can disrupt consistency.
Tamang masakit ka sa katawan mag-exercise. The fourth question will be, how do you overcome these challenges?
To overcome poor time management, of course, you have to plan. Planning ahead is a key. I schedule workouts like appointments on low energy days. I give myself permission to do a lighter session or just go for a walk. I also remind myself that consistency over perfection matters more. Listening to my body helps prevent injuries and burnout.
Tama. Huwag pilitin kapag hindi kaya.
Yes.
Check, check, check! The fifth question will be, what strategies do you use to stay consistent with your workout?
The strategies I use to stay consistent is, first, I follow a flexible workout plan that allows for variety. Next, I track progress to stay motivated. For example, log workouts, track personal best, like that. And next, I set both short and long-term goals. And lastly, I sometimes work out with a friend or join a class to stay accountable or to stay motivated kapag may kasama.
Mas nakakagana kasi kapag ganun. Parang hindi siya malungkot. Hindi yung music lang yung kausap mo sa utak mo. Ganun. The sixth question will be, what specific benefits have you noticed from your physical activities?
Oh, there are so many benefits from physical activities. For example, nag improve yung mood and nag-reduce yung anxiety, na mas better yung sleep quality, nag increase yung strength and endurance, may higher energy levels ako throughout the day, I have a stronger immune system and a fewer minor health injuries. And lastly, I have a greater confidence in my body and my abilities.
The seventh question will be, how do you incorporate physical activity into your daily life?
I make movement part of my routine, walking or biking instead of driving when possible, and taking short stretch breaks during work, doing bodyweight exercises at home, and using weekends for active hobbies like hiking or sports. It's about making activity lifestyle and not a chore.
Yes, tama yun. Kasi kapag syempre iniisip mo, gawain siya na kailangan mong gawin
Nakakatamad.
araw-araw, nakakatamad.
Yes.
Lalo na kapag pinapunish mo yung sarili mo dahil dito. And surprise question, what advice would you give to someone who wants to start being more physically active?
Okay, for someone na I think na magsisimula pa lang or beginner pa lang, I suggest na you start small. For example, even 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a difference, and dun ka magsisimula, like pahaba ng pahaba each day. And choose activities that you enjoy so it doesn't feel like a punishment to you. Set realistic goals and gradually build up. Be kind to yourself and don't expect perfection. Track progress to stay motivated, and lastly, find a buddy or someone you can do exercises with for support and accountability.
Nagustuhan ko dun yung don't aim for perfection agad, no? Kasi dun mo makikita na progress matters more than the results.
Yes.
Yeah. So, ayun lang para sa mga interview natin. Thank you again, Miss Chantal Lorraine. And lastly, fit check. Hey. Thank you so much.